Welcome to Vyten. You're about to experience a revolutionary way for local and online service businesses to leverage the latest AI and mobile technology to grow their business. I'm Nia, your virtual assistant and customer success specialist from Vyten. Whether you run a med spa, restaurant, fitness studio, membership, or online business, your mobile app is about to become your most powerful communication and revenue channel. And the best part? We've simplified the entire process. We've created a clear step-by-step video series that walks you through exactly what happens next. There are 6 short videos, about 3 minutes each, and together they'll show you how to choose your app features, how to perfect your branding, how to invite us to your Apple and Google developer accounts, how we submit and maintain your app, and how you launch your app successfully. At any point, if you need help, you can reach our customer success team at hello@vyten.com or use the live chat inside your Vyten portal. You'll also find helpful walkthroughs and guides inside our help center at help.vyten.com. You are never doing this alone. Here's how simple this really is. Step 1, you generate your app by importing your website and social media accounts. Our AI technology pulls in your branding, your colors, your content, your imagery. From there, you can fine-tune and perfect everything so it looks exactly how you want. Next, you'll connect your existing tools, whether that's Kajabi, Boulevard, Shopify, Stripe, your booking software, memberships, podcasts, YouTube channel, or blog posts. Your app becomes a central hub that connects everything together. Apple and Google accounts. You will apply for or invite us into your Apple developer and Google developer accounts. This allows us to submit your app on your behalf, communicate directly with Apple and Google, handle approvals and any updates, maintain compliance, keep your app optimized with the latest technology. From submission to updates to future feature improvements, our team handles the technical side so you can stay focused on running your business. Once your app is live, we continue maintaining it, updating it, integrating new technologies, ensuring compatibility with Apple and Google updates, and helping you stay ahead of competitors. Your app is not a one-time build. It's a living, evolving growth tool. In the next video, we'll walk through how to choose your features and how to design your app experience around your existing business model and tools. Let's build something powerful.